Hi, this is Erica with OurChurch.com, and thank you for using our WP-EZ website builder. It's WordPress made easy. In this video, we're going to talk about plugins. Plugins are what we use to enhance our website. You know, like when we don't want to or don't know how to use or write code, we can use a simple plugin to add different components to our website. So now let me show you which plugins that we feature with our WP-EZ website builder. The first thing we're going to do is go to our dashboard by going to myocc.ourchurch.com and clicking on the green WP-EZ admin button. Now, to access our plugins, we hover over More. Now, as you can see here, I have a lot of plugins, but that's because I have the Gold hosting package. Some of our hosting packages come with different plugins. So if you don't see some of the plugins that I have when you hover over More, it's because your package doesn't have it. If you'd like to use one of these plugins, but don't see it on your hosting package, it's as simple as upgrading. So for instance, if you have a bronze hosting package but would like to use a PayPal shopping cart, simply call us and upgrade to silver. Or if you have a silver hosting package but would like to utilize the users plugin, then simply call us and we can upgrade you to gold. Now let's go over some of the plugins we have in the gold hosting package. While hovered over More, you can see all the plugins that I have listed here, beginning with blog, calendar, comments, contact form, footer contact info, form generator, gallery, Google Analytics, image slider rotator, news, PayPal shopping cart, poll, SEO, social media, and users. In the gold hosting package, you're able to have multiple users to edit and become authors on your website. But this is only a feature offered in the gold hosting package. I also want you to notice that once you click on one of the plugins, you'll be able to edit the settings of that plugin. As you can see, I have social media under the word More, where before it wasn't there. Now, you also have to remember that with some of these plugins, it might take an extra step, like creating a page for that plugin to sit on. So, for instance, if you want to use your PayPal shopping cart, you're going to need to create a page for that cart to go on. So, for instance, if I click on my PayPal shopping cart, I'll have to create that page. So, let's see, t-shirts. So, on my website, we're selling t-shirts. So, I had to create a page for t-shirts to sit on. So let's just click on the page builder as you see me doing here. And right now I'm in the editor. So let's click out of that so that you can see what that page actually looks like. So just a moment. There it is. So this is what my PayPal shopping cart page looks like. I had to create this page called t-shirts in order for the plugin to work. So you also have to consider that with some of these plugins, you might have to take that extra step and create a page for it. So remember, at OurChurch.com, we've chosen the most popular plugins, the most secure, supported, updated, the most mobile-friendly plugins for you to use on your website. Also, if you want to know more about how each of these plugins work, we have a video library showing you step-by-step how you can use each of these plugins to enhance your website. So thank you again for using our WP-EZ website builder. Remember, it's WordPress made easy.